Hello children, welcome to another new topic, the noun possessive form. So let's start with the topic. In order to understand the topic, you need to understand the term possess. Let me write the word on the board. Possess means to own something or to have something. So when I say, I have a book or this book is mine, that means I own that book. So the word possess means to own something or to have something. So the possessive noun is used to show belongingness or the ownership of something. For example, I possess a house. I possess a house. This means I own a house or I have a house. Another example, they possess a shop. They possess a shop. This means they own a shop or they have a shop. So this means a possessive noun is a word that shows that someone owns or has something. This is what we are going to learn. So a possessive noun is a word that shows that someone owns or someone has something. Now let's look at the following sentence. The book belongs to the boy. I'm going to write an example. The book belongs to the boy. So ask the question, whose book is this? Just ask the question, whose book is this? Whose book is this? It is the boy. The answer is the boy. Here is the owner of the book. So when we ask the question, whose book is it? We get the answer, the boy. So in order to convert it into a possessive, add an apostrophe s after the noun boy to show the ownership. So we can write the same sentence in a different way. The book belongs to the boy can be written as the boy's book. So the same sentence, the book belongs to the boy, we wrote it in a different way, that is the boy's book. The meaning remains the same. There is no change in the meaning, but we wrote it in a different way. So what is the change in the sentence? We added an apostrophe s to the noun. So this apostrophe plays an important role. This apostrophe plays an important role in forming possessive nouns. So there are different ways to put the apostrophe, and you need to be very careful when you put this sign of apostrophe depending on the number of the noun. So let's learn some general rules to form possessive nouns, and these rules are very important. Once you understand the concept, it becomes very easy for you. If you are not careful about the rules, then you make mistakes. So it's very important to understand the rules, how to put the apostrophe. So let's learn the rules. So the rules of putting an apostrophe s is closely related to the number of the noun, whether the noun is in singular form or plural form. That is very important. So the first rule, if we want to change a singular noun to a singular possessive form, add an apostrophe s after the singular noun. So if you want to change a singular noun, another important thing, which is not ending in s. If the noun is not ending in s, then you have to put an apostrophe s to form the possessive form of the noun. So I'll write the rule here. A singular noun without s. Singular noun without s, you need to add an apostrophe s. Understood? If the noun is in singular and if it is without s, if the noun does not end in s, you need to add apostrophe s to form the possessive noun. For example, girl, teacher, Mona, mother. I have written 3 common nouns here and 1 proper noun. So if you want to change it into a possessive noun, these nouns, look at the nouns, these nouns are not ending in s. And if you want to change it into a possessive form, you need to put an apostrophe s, an apostrophe plus an s to form the possessive noun. So this becomes girl's frock, girl's book, girl's umbrella, whatever it is. Coming to the next, teacher, apostrophe s, teacher's book. Mona, Mona's cycle. Mother, mother's, apostrophe s, mother's purse. So the rule which we learned right now is a singular noun. As you all know, girl, teacher, Mona, mother. These are all singular nouns which are not ending in s. This noun does not end in s. Refers to one person. So if the noun does not end in s, then you have to put an apostrophe s to show the possessive form. So girl's frock, the frock of the girl, the frock which belongs to the girl. We can write it in the possessive form as girl's frock. The book of the teacher, the teacher's book. Mona's cycle, mother's purse, etc. Now the next rule, to change a singular noun ending in s, a singular possessive noun, add an apostrophe only. So what about a singular noun ending in s? There we put only an apostrophe. If it is a singular noun and if it ends in s, then you need to put only an apostrophe. There are some names which end in s and there are some nouns that end in s. There you need to put only an apostrophe. Now we will not put s. So a singular noun ending in s carries only an apostrophe. For example, the red dress belongs. The red dress belongs to the princess. Look at the word princess. Princess, it's the opposite gender of prince, princess. You know, princess refers to a singular person. But the noun ends in double s. So how will you write the possessive form of this? The red dress belongs to the princess. We can write it in this way. The princess dress is red. The princess. See, I have written the word which ends in s and an apostrophe after this. We will not add apostrophe s. The princess dress is red. So what is the rule? If a singular noun ends in S, then you need to put only an apostrophe after the word. We never pronounce princesses, we cannot pronounce. It sounds awkward. It sounds funny. So after the word, you need to put an apostrophe to show the possessive case. Another examples I have picked from your book. We usually say Jesus' sake. Jesus' sake. So correct form is after Jesus, because Jesus ends in S. So after Jesus, put an apostrophe. So this is the correct form. We never write like this, Jesus apostrophe S sake. It is wrong. Understood the mistake? Again, coming to another word, Moses' law. Moses is the name of a person. Moses apostrophe law. This is correct. If we write like this, Moses apostrophe S, then it is wrong. So you need to be very careful. If the noun ends in S in the singular form, if you want to show the possessive form, you need to put only an apostrophe after the noun to show the possessive case. Now coming to the next group, we form the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in S by adding only an apostrophe. The same rule we follow when it comes to a plural noun ending in S. If it is a plural noun and if it ends in S, the same rule you have to follow. You add only an apostrophe. For example, let's write a few plural nouns. Ladies. Plural. Ladies means not one lady, many ladies. Girls. Plural. Girls. Plural of dog. Dogs. Now, if you want to show possession, they own something, they have something, then how will we write? The word ends in S. The rule is just to put an apostrophe after the word. So, if you want to talk about ladies' purses, ladies, after that apostrophe, then purses. We never say ladies' purses. It's wrong. So we write ladies, then apostrophe, then purses. We are talking about number of ladies. It can be 5 ladies, 10 ladies, 15 ladies. And we are talking about what they own, what they have. We are talking about their purses. Girls. Many girls or 10 girls belonging to a class. And we are talking about their books. So girls, books. This is plural possessive form. And if it is singular possessive form, how will we convert this into singular? Ladies' purses will become lady. Spelling is L-A-D-Y, lady. Apostrophe S. Lady's purse. So here we are talking about one lady, whereas here we are talking about many ladies. Girls, books, here talking about many girls. If you want to change it into singular, girl apostrophe S, girls, book or books, whatever it is. So, if the noun is plural and if it ends in S, then you need to show the possessive form by just adding apostrophe. Now there are nouns in plural form that do not end in S. You know, many nouns are there that do not end in S. For example, children. You know it's plural, but it does not end in S. Another example, mice. Again, it's plural of mouse, but it does not end in S. So here to form the possessive, you are supposed to put apostrophe S. Children's, park, mices, etc. Again, few more words are there. Men, it is plural. Women, another plural. So if you want to show the possessive form, you can put apostrophe S. You need to add apostrophe and S to show the possessive form. Now, you need to remember a few things. Possessive forms of nouns are used with living things. With non-living things, we never use possessive form. So if we write, the car's wheel is punctured, I'll show it through an example. The car's wheel is punctured. The sentence is wrong. You need to write, the wheel of the car is punctured. This is the correct sentence. Another example, the paper's color is white. Paper's color is white. Paper is a non-living thing, so the sentence is incorrect. You need to write, the color of the paper is white. So when you use possessive form, we tend to make mistakes like this, but remember, now onwards, do not use apostrophe S with non-living things. We use apostrophe S with living things. So let's try to remember what we learned right now. Let's have a quick revision. The possessive form of nouns show something belonging to someone. It shows what we own or what we have. And we use an apostrophe S when we make the possessive case of nouns in the singular form. And we use an apostrophe S with the nouns which are in plural and which does not end in S. There also we use an apostrophe S. And for the nouns that end in S in singular, as well as the plural forms that end in S, you are supposed to put only an apostrophe. We do not use an S there. So for plural nouns not ending in S, we use apostrophe S. So this is what we have learnt now. So it's time to do an exercise. I would like to give you an exercise, and please do that in your grammar classwork copy. So you need to write the lesson number and the title of the lesson, the noun possessive form, and write the question. Write the correct possessive form of the nouns. Write the correct possessive form of the nouns. I would like to give 2 examples for you. Example, the food of the dog. The food of the dog. In order to convert it into the possessive form, we write the dog Dog is singular, so apostrophe is dog's food. Another example in plural, the bags of my friends. The bags of my Here we are referring to plural, so we'll copy down the plural as such, friends. After friends, we are supposed to put an apostrophe. The friends' bags, sorry, my friends' bags. Now try to convert the following phrases into possessive form. The notebook of the detective the notebook of the detective. Second one, the hat of the woman. The hat of the woman. Third one, the toilet of the ladies. The toilet of the ladies. The room of the teacher. I have included both singular noun and plural noun here. Try to convert it into the possessive form. Thank you.